kayo. Kami ang The Twins. Yes. Oh my God. Twins namin ba? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. So, siya po si Mia. Ako si Siley. So, bago lang po kami dito. But before kami mag-start, please like and subscribe muna po. And click the notification bell. And mag-comment lang kayo kung anong gusto nyo ipalaro sa aming dalawa. So, tara na, Be. Dito tayo, Be. So, ilan pa lang kami? 7 pa lang kami. Kulang pa ng ng 5. So, nasa likod ko si Ay, nasa likod ako ni Mia. So, ayan guys. Ang tagal, Be. 6 lang tayo, Be. Ay, 7 lang. 8 lang. Okay. Kanina kumpleto kami, guys. Kaso lang, na-disconnect siya. Na-disconnect si Mia, Be. Yan na, Be! Yan na, Be! Kasi po, kaya po namin gustong gumawa ng ganito. Kasi po, nagustuhan po namin yung mga video nila Yogi at Nicole and Jandy po. Ang dami po naming downloads at lagi po silang nasa YouTube YouTube wall po namin. Kaya lagi po namin siya pinapanood. So, sinubscribe ko din po sila. So, sana po isubscribe nyo din po kami at isubscribe nyo din po sila para po dumami po lalo yung kanila. Sa amin din po guys, sana isubscribe nyo din po kami. So, ayan, starting na po. Ala, wait lang, hindi nag-charge yung cellphone ko.
Sorry.
Hala, may natamaan si Mia guys, yung kapatid ko. Umusog ka pa dito, Be. Yan, so the twins. Eseng. Hey guys. Oh, ako to. Did you also get a ticket? Of course,
Kasi si Minky.
That's why. Ala, nakatalikod siya, guys. Ano ba yun?
Minky. Ano ba yan?
Well, okay. Ako magbubuksan. Come on, guys. I'm super excited. Oh, siya yung internet ko. Let me get a picture for today's post real quick. So, ayan. Ito yung min kid. I mean, internet popular kid. Popular kid. Alright, let's move ahead. I can't wait to see the chocolate. Good. This is okay, crazy kid. And this. So, ayan si crazy kid, guys. Wait lang, kulang pa ng nerd. Sana ako yung nerd eh. Ikaw yung nerd! Go, so guys, si Mia ang nerd. Saan si Mia dyan? So, let's go. Punta na tayo. Punta na tayo, guys. Wala, nag-leave siya, Be. Oo. Akala ko nag-leave siya. So, nandito na tayo sa gate ng chocolate. Oh, Wonka! Nakalagay doon, guys, Wonka. Oh my God, ayun yung factory niya, Be.
Malaki guys.
It's super lucky niya, guys. And parang sa totoo, may kwento din dito eh, no? May kwento din na ginaya nila. Seng. Ayan na si Wonka. At mami! Sorry, guys. So, ayan. Wonka, say cheese. Ano ba tong picture na to? Internet kid na to. Picture, pati si Wonka. You're so annoying. That wasn't very nice of you to do. Okay, I'm just excited. Okay, kids. Oy! You are all here because you received the golden ticket. Sorry. Sumigaw ako. We all are excited. So, ayan guys, tumatalon kami kahit di naman namin pinipintot tong jam. So, ayan. Let's go on the fact. Di ko nabasa.
Hello.
Nauuna na naman ako. Uy. I am bouncing. Me too, though. Welcome to the Chocolate River. Ang ganda pala, guys. Nakalimutan ko na to kasi nga matagal na namin hindi nalaro to. So, ayan.
Slow guys.
Hala guys, nag-swimming kami guys sa chocolate guys. Wow. So
Siya lang
sarap.
guys siya lang yung
So, kaya may mga candy dito.
nagbablog kasi po wala pa akong ganyan record.
Opo. Pero po, kasali naman din po siya dito sa Siley Gaming ko. Pero sana po, i-subscribe nyo naman kami. So, mag-slide muna tayo dito. Slide. Whee! So, guys, kaya may mga candy dyan siguro. Nakalimutan ko. Magko-collect yata tayo ng candy, no? Diba?
Oh, yeah.
Awang cute. It's so cute. Oh my
Okay,
God.
for starting, let's begin.
Oh,
with
naka-ano.
a little mini
Okay. Let's play. Sabi ko na eh. So, ayan. Magko-collect.
Last candy
Goes back home. Got it. Sounds fun. Okay. Ready, set, go! So, magko-collect tayo ng candy, everyone. Hindi mo... Eh. Hindi mo po yung candy, eh. So, ayan. Magko-collect tayo ng candy. Pwede po i-collect yung chocolate na to. Konti pa lang guys yung sa akin. 3, 2, 1, talo na ako guys. Sana di tayo manalong dalawa. Kasi pag may natalo sa amin kasing isa guys, ang gagawin namin, maglilib kami para maulit. Para patas.
Hindi wow.
So guys, I'm so excited bukas kasi magsiswimming kami bukas.
Ganda ng kublak na ito, Ben.
Asan na yung katwin ko? Hey,
Dito ako.
that's not nice to say mean things. And the winner is Mia! Haha, there I go.
Hindi ako ganyan guys ah.
Bro, lame, but whatever. How did this and the kid will scondi. Okay, thank you Lord. Buti na lang hindi ako. Goodbye Bacon. I'm so sorry for your loss. Oh, loss. L-O-S-T. Anong W? Nag-aral ka ba? Lows. Lows. Ala, ba't may mga langaw? Bye, Rockstar. Bye, Rockstar. Ala, pinaliguan siya ng chocolate. That was fun to watch. That's not nice to say, kid. That could be me. Don't listen to that
Hindi
kid,
kami gusto
Mr.
face
Wonka.
reveal.
Okay, the game must go on. Let's move on into the next stage, shall we? Let's go! So, let's go na daw. So, ayan. Oh, nasa bangka kami, guys. Ba't wala kami sa gitna? Ba't nasa gitna kami? Ba't nasa gilid? Pero okay lang yan. Para maano ako naman ito. Para maano natin yung chocolate na. So, ayan, guys. Kilala niyo ba si... guys, napanood niyo ba yung Wonka, guys? Pero I think may story talaga tong Wonka na to. No? And you're too short too. Of course, we're children. Ay, ganyan din ako yung nag-mean kid ako dati. Not an excuse. I wasn't as short as you. Okay, anyways. We're almost here. Oo. Next month, ano na? Last month. Last month. Next month. Yung nandito na siya, guys. Pero hindi na namin to nilaro nung umalis na siya dito. Scientist. Baka mali nga may isagot dito na ano. Our next experiment is, great! The children are here too. What does that mean? What experiment? Uy, ikaw yung nerd kid baka di ka matalino dito. Don't worry, we'll do it together. Everyone has to make a chewing gum. we're gonna make the most sensational and amazing gum in the whole universe. Sounds like my kind of gum. Okay, but there's still a thing or two. I'm the world record holder for chewing gum. I'm not a person. Okay. Hindi ko mabasa na may... I'm about to bake a crazy gum. Oh my god. Okay. I'm physical about chewing gums. Hope the smartest kid makes the best gum. That's just nerdy kid. We'll make the gum together. Let's get started. Start. Oh my god, kinakabahan ako. Ay, ako yan guys, oh. Okay. You will be granted a test in your score if the rest 50. So, oh my god, yung scientist guys, nagiging robot. Yes, I am Mr. Wonka. Password. Ay, hala, sorry,
Yes,
Sing.
I am Mr. Wonka.
Sorry na, Sing. Okay, first thing first. What flavor gum do you want? Mint ako. Okay, may masarap naman pero hindi ko trip yung orange na bang. Let's put it here. Kasi gusto ko medyo matamis tas biglang aanghang. Magmi-mint, guys. Oh, ba't mo gagayahin? Ha? Yes, I do. I like sweet items. Okay, anyways. Next. What's the biggest chewing gum brand? Ito yata. So, ito ang isasagot natin, guys. Oh, tama. Wrigley. I knew it. This game is kind of fun. I know, right? What is the biggest brand? What is the biggest chocolate brand? Ay, try natin tong Wonka. Siyempre, Wonka na to, be. Yes, Wonka is my company. Yes, Mr. Wonka. Oh my god, ano to? By the way, Mars Wrigley is the biggest chocolate company. Mars Wrigley is company. Next, which one of these is not mandatory for the chewing gum? Eto, kasi ano eh, pag kinain mo yan, parang jiggle eh. Lagam nga eh. Yes, good thing I'm vegan too. Next, how much was the smokes? Try natin itong 14,000.
Napanood kasi namin to guys sa kayo.
14,000, alam ko ang sagot nyo ay 23. 14,000, yes. Kailan pa? Ano to, diba? February natin ito nasa. Because Britney Spears chew it. Oh, okay. That's a fair price then. I'm gonna pretend you didn't say that and okay. Next, I hope we're paying attention. What is it? We're making the most sensational and blank gum. Try amazing. Amazing ba? Kasi ayun sinabi ng scientist kanina. Okay, yehey. Ano sagot mo? I can't wait to try. Password.
OMG, I can't do.
Chocolate. Chocolate is my favorite. Then, chewing gum. Kasi yung chewing gum parang nakakasakit medyo ng ipin. Tapos yung chocolate din. Oo, nakakasakit din na ipin yan. Pero mas masarap chocolate.
Ilan, ano mo, mali? Akin dalawa ata.
Wala akong mali. Wala akong mali.
Wow. Feel ko, 90.
My scientist will grade you on how well. Oh my God, 100 ako!
It's okay, but okay.
Oh my God, guys.
Wala na tayo.
Kakapanood ko to ng Yogi Art, kaya, ayan.
Guys, ito na lang kami.
Ano, apat? Ayaw, I made a gum. Wala na nga namatay na. You wanna try? Yes, yes.
Accepted akin eh.
Ah? Kasi baka bawal, kasi baka, ano siya, no? No, I just don't want to. Whatever. Alright, dude.
Natakot ka ba?
Thanks for testing the experiment, Mr.
Kain mo
Wonka.
na ito yung chewing gum ba yun?
Hindi pa. No worries. Oh my god. Alright, kids, we should move on to the next challenge now.
Ano din ako?
So, ayun na next challenge na, guys. Ano to, be?
Alam mo.
Hindi mo alam.
Ano to? Isa fox ba yun?
Fox? Hindi ko alam. Basta, wala na lang kami na ng ano.
Yung sila na
Oy, mantik na ako mahulog, guys. Don't fall in here. Whoa, those girls really do a nice job. That sounds exciting. Can we meet? Yes, let's meet the squirrels.
wala na.
Ah, squirrels! Ayan o, ang
Ano
cute.
tayo to?
Ha? Ay, oo nga, be, oh. Kahit dalawa na lang kami.
Pogi ba ako rito?
Ba't tumatagos yung mga squirrel?
Wait, pogi ba ako rito?
Oo. Oo. Oh my.
Pati jagan.
Parang ano yung napanood, kanina napanood ko lang to kay Sir. Ano yun? I think the, but we're nuts for your chocolate.
Hi guys, nandito ako.
I know it's weird, but don't worry.
Guys, nandito ako. Guys.
Just don't fall in here. Bawal mag-fall doon.
May nandito ako
Okay,
sa
got it.
taas.
Saan taas?
Ano taas ako?
Binaano tayo, Bin? Oo nga, be. Tapos, babatoyin tayo. Ano to, guys? Tumatalon lang? Tatalon lang ba? Kasi tinamukot na ano kami. Hala, hoy! Binabato ako, be! Kapit yung be. Masakit siya, guys. Ano? Okay, guys. Tatalon lang kami dito. Uy, konti na lang buhay mo. Kainin mo na yung chewing gum. Kakainin ko rin sa akin. Wala na. Wala na?
Dito magdagsakan, te.
Ako din. Tapos na, be. Finally!
Kami na lang dalawa.
What the heck was that? Those walnuts really hurt.
One
Good
day.
job. So, andito na lang kami, guys. Dalawa na lang. We're proven ourselves. Okay, anyways. Okay, anyways. Congrats! Yay! Visit kayong squirrels kayo. Next room? May next room pa, be.
Let's go, follow me. Okay, Mr.
Lang, be, paano ako makalabas? Up. May butas, be. Okay, yan. Pupunta na kayo dito. Sabi. Ano ko, be?
Para natin si Mr. Wonka. Let's go, let's
So,
go.
yan.
Hindi ko pa ano tayo dito ng ano.
Wow! What happens in the room? All the new experiments are you kids are lucky to be the first ones ever see this room. Would you like to help me my test last experiment? Sure, why not? How can we help you? Puzzle. Puzzle. Ganito. Alam ko na, be. Mamamatay ba tayo dito, be? Patay na tayo. Okay, guys. Oh my God, Dobby. Ang Dobby, napatay na tayo. Okay, guys. So, namatay. Dahil namatay kami, guys. Nasaan ka na, Ben? So, ayun lang, guys. Magpapaalam na ako. Ayun. So, tara dito. Tara dito, Ben. Dobby, asan ka na? Okay.
Hi guys.
So, gaganto muna. Please, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye, guys.